So guys, it's really simple to cut only the audio. Suppose we want to cut the audio from here to here. So for that, select the razor tool or press on C. Then if we try to directly cut this part, it will also cut the video part too. So what's our solution for that? Our first solution, if you want to use the shortcut, select the razor tool, then hold Alt and cut where you want. Now as you can see that we only cut the audio part here, and if you want to delete it, just delete it. You can also select the second part and drag it to cover the area. So our second solution, select the clip, right click, then unlink. Now grab the razor tool, just cut where you want. It's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.